Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network with your Lenovo K6, at the first you have to open the Wi-Fi settings, so you can make it by going through the notification panel. And next you have to turn on Wi-Fi by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see we can find a lot of networks. I'm going to connect for this one. If you input your password, you have to connect by tapping on this button. So as you can see right now we are finally connected, and as you can see that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.